Hi, my name is Aaron Miller. Welcome to my channel. Today we're chatting with you from just outside Puerto Vallarta, Mexico. This channel will be making videos about things that interest me and hopefully you too. Currently that includes things like birds, specifically hummingbirds, both the species that you're likely familiar with where you're living and exotic species too, and maybe a sprinkling of random videos thrown in as well. We've been blessed to be able to live in international countries for about 6 months a year for the last 11 years, and we're excited to bring you along on those bird-related adventures with us. One of the ideas of this channel, in the near term, is to introduce you to the joy of hummingbirds, to help you get to know them a little better, and also introduce you to new exotic species that you might not be familiar with yet, and to record my own experiences and memories in the process. In the midterm, our goal for this channel will be to grow it to a point where we can generate revenue, and we will reinvest 100% of that back into raising awareness of these little miracles through doing things like purchasing better camera equipment or adding a team to help produce these videos and share them with you faster. In the long term, the ambition of this channel will be to purchase land where endangered hummingbirds face habitat loss. And with this land, we will create sanctuaries for them to be protected in. I will likely be using some of my own money to help make these goals happen. But in the meantime, here are some free and easy things that you can do to help this channel grow and achieve some of these goals. Press the like button, watch more of my videos and share them with friends and or onto your Facebook feed. Add yourself into the comment section below the videos. Click subscribe and the blue bell icon so you always know when the next video is going to be released. These are some quick and easy free ways for you to help this channel grow and to begin achieving some of the goals that we've chatted about. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you, and I look forward to meeting new hummingbirds and growing this channel together.